Hello students, today we will be going over H2.8, creating matrices for story problems. Our objective, I can create matrices to represent situations. Examples, write the system, give augmented matrix, give reduced augmented matrix, solution and solution in context. Number 1, and this is page H46. Two families attend an event. One family purchased 2 adult tickets and 4 youth tickets for $33. The other family purchased 4 adult tickets and 5 youth tickets for $51.75. What is the cost of an adult ticket and the cost of a youth ticket? So, first thing we want to do is identify our items and variables. So I'm going to say X equals cost of adult ticket. Y equals the cost of a youth ticket. Okay, then we write our systems. Okay, it says that one family purchased 2 adult tickets, that's 2x, plus 4 youth tickets for $33. And the second family purchased 4 adult tickets plus 5 youth tickets for $51.75. Okay. So for our augmented matrix over here, we're going to have 2, 4, 33, and 4, 5, and 51.75. Now, I'm going to find out what our reduced augmented matrix is. And I'm going to use the graphing calculator for this. So here's our graphing calculator. First thing you want to do is go to matrix, so that's second here, and right here the x to the -1 power. Our first matrix we want to be a 2 by 3, so I'm going to enter. Let's try that again. Second, go to matrix. We've got to edit, so go over to edit. We got to edit it's not a 3 by 4, it's a 2 by 3. Now we're going to go ahead and put in our numbers. 2, 4, it's already there, I could have just entered, 33, and then we go 4, 5, and 51.75. Are you seeing that okay? All right, so there we have it. Next, we want to go back to matrix. And let's see, we're going to go to math. And then we go down to RF. So we're going to go down to all the way to B, I guess it is. And we want to have matrix A, so we go second, matrix A, enter. Oh, I made a mistake somewhere. Let's see what I did wrong. What is matrix A? So A is a 2 by 3, like that, okay? Now, is it under math? I might have to go back and review that. Let's see if it's, I don't think it's under math. So let's go to second, back to matrix. Is it names? No, that's just naming it. Second, matrix. It's got to be under math, because I want the reduced row echelon. We have to Try A. I don't know. Then I go, whoops, not Y equals. Okay. I know it's reduced ref. So, but B hasn't been defined. So, okay, let me go back. It's been a while since I've done this. So, oh, it is under Math B and Ref A. I was doing it right. I don't know why it wasn't working. Let's just try it again. I went back to day 2 on page H42. We go back to the main menu, second matrix right here. And now we go under Math. We go down to our ref, enter. Now we push second matrix. We want to put A in there. And there's our reduced row matrix. Hopefully you saw all of that okay. So we have 1, 0, and 7. So a reduced augmented matrix. Can you see that part okay? 1, 0, 7, and 0, 1, 4.75. Okay, so our solution to this system is the adult tickets cost $7, child tickets cost $4.75. So I'm going to take this off to write it. So an adult ticket, and you can be writing this down, an adult ticket costs $7. A youth ticket costs $4.75. Okay, if you need to pause it, go ahead, but I am going to continue because that took way too much time than it should have, but just know that sometimes I struggle with getting things correct too. So anyway, we'll go on. Okay, number 3, the total cost of items A, B, and C is $13. The sum of item A and B is $11. The sum of item B and C is $9. Find the cost of each item. Okay, so X equals item A. Y equals item B. Z equals item C. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and write our system. We know that all 3 of them together equals $13. So I put X plus Y plus Z equals $13. And I cross the Z so you don't think it's a 2. Then the cost of items A and B together, A plus B equals, was it $11? Okay. Now, B plus C is $9. Okay. So if we write the augmented matrix, we go 1, 1, 1, 13. Then we go 1, 1. We have to put something in for zeros, for Z, so we put 0. Now there's no X, so we're going to put a 0 in for that, 1, 1, 9. Okay. All right, so hopefully I can figure this out on the calculator a little bit better than I did last time. So here we have this, and I'm going to go to matrix, so I'm going to clear that out. Second, and this x to the -1, and I'm going to edit, actually maybe I'll go to b, and I'm going to edit b. Okay, I'm going to name b as a 3 by 4, so I'm going to put 3 by 4. So it's 3 rows and 4 columns. Now I'm just going to put my numbers in there. 1, 1, 1, 13. 1, 1, 0, 11. 0, 1, 1, 9. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go to second matrix. I'm going to go over to math, and I'm going to go to RF, which I believe is going to be B or something. Reduced row echelon form. So I'm going to try and get it to go down to B. Oh, I did the same mistake as I did last time. Let's try this again. Going back to the steps. Okay, so I know it's row B, so I go back to the matrix by going second matrix there. Then arrow keys to go over to math, and then down to RF. And then I want to define B, so I go to B, enter, and then that should give me my reduced row echelon form. So 1004, 0107, 0012, okay? So reduced augmented matrix is 1004, 0107, 0012. That's the reduced augmented matrix. So we can say that item A costs $4. I'm going to take this off to write it. Item A costs $4. Item B costs $7. And item C costs $2. And you might say, well, I could have guessed and checked easy enough, but it's the whole process of making sure you know how to use matrices on the calculator. Okay, just practice a little bit more, students. You can get the rest of these. Remembering, if you get a row of zeros, it's infinitely many solutions. And if you get zeros and then a 1 at the end, then that's going to be empty set. Okay? All right, students, you can do the rest. You rock.